Welcome. If you're looking to get the most out of Pinterest's latest features, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to allow Pinterest to use data from sites you visit on your PC, thanks to the new update. This setting helps Pinterest personalize your experience, showing you even more relevant ideas and inspiration based on your browsing habits. Let's dive right in. First, open Pinterest from your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu. Click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control different aspects of your Pinterest account. Next, within the settings menu, look for the section labeled Privacy and Data. Click on it to open up your privacy options. This is where you can manage how Pinterest uses your information, including data from sites you visit outside of Pinterest. Now, here's the important part. Find the option that says Use info from sites you visit. There will be a checkbox next to it. To allow Pinterest to use your browsing data, make sure this box is checked. This tells Pinterest it's okay to personalize your experience based on the websites you visit. Once you've checked the box, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the page, and click it. That's it. Your preferences are now updated. By enabling this setting, you're giving Pinterest permission to use information from your browsing activity to improve your recommendations. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to these settings and adjust your preferences. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.